This is question 21 of Civil Engineering paper GATE 2016 afternoon session. In the context of IRC 58 2011 guidelines for rigid pavement design, consider the following pair of statements. Statement 1, radius of relative stiffness is directly related to modulus of elasticity of concrete and inversely related to Poisson's ratio. Statement 2, radius of relative stiffness is directly related to thickness of slab and modulus of subgrade reaction. Which one of the following combination is correct? So, in this question, two statements are given in the context of IRC 58 2011 guidelines for rigid pavement. We need to identify which statement is correct. So, this question is from the topic of design of rigid pavement. You may study about design of rigid pavement and all these terms, radius of relative stiffness and other related topic in detail in lecture Rigid Pavement Design Transportation Engineering 1 by Professor Tom V. Matthew, IIT Bombay. So, if we recall the relative stiffness, radius of relative stiffness. So, we know a certain degree of resistance to slab deflection is offered by the subgrade. That is, when the slab is getting deflected, a certain degree of resistance is offered by the subgrade. And this subgrade deformation is same as the slab deflection. Hence, the slab deflection is direct measurement of the magnitude of the subgrade pressure. This pressure deformation characteristics of rigid pavement led Westergaard to define the term radius of relative stiffness, which is equal to L equal to EHQ divided by 12 into K into 1 minus mu square to the power 0.25, where L is the radius of relative stiffness, E is the modulus of elasticity of cement concrete, H is the slab thickness, K is the modulus of subgrade reaction and mu is the Poisson's ratio of the concrete. Now, coming to this the statement, radius of relative stiffness is directly related to modulus of elasticity. So, yes, it is directly related to modulus of elasticity and inversely related to Poisson's ratio. So, we can see in this equation this mu, that is Poisson's ratio, is in denominator but with negative sign. So, this is directly proportional. Suppose if this mu will be increased, then this term will be decreased and whole term will be increased. It means L is increasing or decreasing with same as mu, that is it is directly proportional, not inversely proportional. So, the statement this statement becomes false. Now, second statement, radius of relative stiffness is directly related to thickness of slab. So, we can say yes, it is directly related to thickness of slab. And modulus of subgrade reaction, no, it is inversely proportional to this modulus of subgrade reaction. L is inversely proportional to K. So, this is become wrong. So, again this second statement becomes also false. So, we can say both statements are false. So, if we check the option, in option B it is given 1 is false, 2 is false. So, both the statement false in given in option B. So, we can say option B is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.